Shame on you, sister.
Kalau jangan mentah singgila panggal ja, kita bilang tambang apa pen area pi, yo po YouTube lang te, bapi pilok tak khasi lor ni.
You born in a beautiful state of Meghalaya and in a beautiful mother of Khasi tribe. But you,
Ya kalau kasi bynriew lihat as tingkar dan stat. Dalam ada ni berdua makan apa?
I understood you have two faces. That time you like a dark angel. The evenings you getting the bottle of beer, you change like a devil. Don't underestimate the Khasi boys. You think they don't have money, but that's your mistake. They have money, but they are not ready to pay like you kind of girls. That is the reality. Not only the Khasi boys. All the boys is like that. They have a brain. They think. Then only they spend. I'm not a Khasi boy, but I married a Khasi girl. She loved me, not because of money. Life is meaningful, not because of money, but you needed money for fun, for beer, the hotels and rooms, and the fun. But that kind of spending, we don't have money. Please, we are not ready. Anyway, you got it, the beautiful boyfriend. You enjoy your life, but don't blame others. Can I ask you one thing? Your father and my brothers is not a Khasi? Then you blaming all of them, right? It is wonderful. That is you. Don't blame. Don't blame my brothers. Don't blame the Khasi boys. As per my experience, the Khasi boys are good, strong, and lovely. Maybe your expectations, but they are not like you expected. Sorry.
Kalau jangan mentah singgila panggal ja.